Assalamu alaikum student. Welcome to your new class. I'm math teacher Mrs. Mahori. As you know student, due to current condition of spreading COVID-19, Guards Public School has arranged the classes in this effective way. So you can learn the each lesson at your home. Student, we first come on the syllabus of the first term, in which we have chapter set, chapter common fraction, chapter percentage, chapter algebraic expression, chapter geometry, and chapter the quadrilateral. First three chapters are from arithmetic, and the middle one is from algebra, and the two are from geometry, your geometry and the quadrilateral. As you know student from your previous class about the set is set of alphabet, set of geometrical things, set of shapes. Means set is a collection of objects and objects can be element or member. In maths we have a particular definition for set is group or collection of well-defined and distinct objects. Here I have underlined two words well-defined and distinct objects. Well-defined means the elements have the common properties and the distinct object means there is no repetition of any object or element. You can see the example of vowels. Set of vowels A, E, I, O, U. All these letters have the common properties and there is no any repetition of any letter. Then similarly we have an example of whole number. The whole number set is also written starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. The writing of set is in curly bracket and all the elements are separated by a comma. Now the student we come on next heading that is element. Here we have a orange circle and in orange circle we have some numbers. These are the element or all these numbers are belong to set of natural number which you can see at the left side in the curly braces. Then come on right side top. Element symbol is given and its example is also given. Like 4 is present in the circle. So 4 is the element of this set n. If any number like 12 is not the element of this set, so the symbol of element not is also given. Notation of set. Sets are denoted by capital letter of the alphabet like A, B, C. Example is also given. Set A has 2, 4, 6 and so on. किसी भी सेट का नाम कैपिटल लेटर ऑफ अल्फ़ाबेट आता है, लेकिन अगर आप एलिमेंट की बात करते हैं तो एलिमेंट हम कैपिटल लेटर से नहीं शो करते. सेट के अंदर एलिमेंट जो है वो स्मॉल लेटर से लिखे जाते हैं. बाकी नंबर भी एलिमेंट हो सकते हैं, नाम भी हो सकते हैं एलिमेंट. Now we have types of set. Here we are discussing the three types of sets, that is finite set, infinite set and empty set. In front of these heading, the examples are also given. Finite set. Number of elements or a member can be counted in this set. और set has limited number of element. एक ऐसा सेट जिसके पास नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट लिमिटेड हो या आप उन नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट और मेंबर को काउंट कर सकते हो, ऐसा सेट आपका फाइनाइट सेट कहलाता है. नाउ हियर वी हैव अ पिक्चर ऑफ रेनबो. ऑल ऑफ यू नो द रेनबो कलर्स. हाउ मेनी कलर्स आर देयर? देयर आर 7 कलर्स इन द रेनबो. तो आपको पता है कि रेनबो के पास 7 कलर्स है और उन कलर्स के नेम्स भी आपको पता है. So it means this is also come in finite set. Then we have another example, this set of alphabet. In alphabets we have letters A to Z. इस पिक्चर में आपको कैपिटल लेटर दिए हुए, लेकिन आपको इससे पहले मैंने क्या बात कही है कि आपने एलिमेंट स्मॉल लेटर से शो करने और सेट का नाम वो कैपिटल लेटर से लिखा जाता है. यहाँ इस पिक्चर में आपको इस पिक्चर को प्रोमिनेंट करने के लिए कैपिटल लेटर का यूज किया गया है, मगर आपको सारे लेटर्स जो है वो काउंट हो रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं है कि अनकाउंटेबल है. तो ये आपका फाइनाइट सेट हो गया. Infinite set means unlimited number of members or numbers of element cannot be counted. Means ऐसा set जिसके number of element या member आप count ना कर सकते हो. Example is also given here. Set of all natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. यहाँ आपको जो natural number दिए हुए हैं 5 के बाद so on कर दिया है. Means हमें नहीं पता where it will stop. These are the unlimited numbers or member of the set. So this become your infinite set. Now we come on empty or the null set. We have a two name for the one set, empty or null set. A set without any element, एक ऐसा set जिसके पास कोई element ना हो या number of elements are 0. So it's mean that is your empty set or the null set. Here the example is given, or you can see the picture of this empty box. Set of natural number less than 0. Set of natural number less than 0. और आपको पता है कि natural numbers जो start होते हैं वो 1 से होते हैं. तो अब आपके पास 0 से छोटे कौन से natural numbers आएंगे? So it means this become your empty set. Here we have a symbol of empty set is also given. एक तो आप ये empty brackets भी दिखा सकते हैं या आप इस empty set को शो करने के लिए ये सिंबल भी लिख सकते हैं. Student, then we come on exercise 1.1. It's question number 1. Set A has letter A, B and C. You have to write whether these statements which are coming, are they true or false. Number 1 is X is the element of A. Can you see X in this set A? No. It means this statement becomes your false. Now come on part 2. A is the element of set A. Can you see this letter A in the set A? Yes. So this becomes your true statement. Then set A contains 3 elements. So you can count these elements in the set A. How many elements are there? 1, 2 and 3. So this become also your true statement. Then student, you will do the remaining part from the question number 1. I have done 3 parts from there. So the remaining part you will do yourself, and these 3 parts also you have to do. Now the student, we have a question number 2. Select the correct answer. 2 parts I have done for you. In your book, the question number 2, 3 options are given, but I have written here 2 options in which you have to select the finite, infinite or the null set. जो स्टेटमेंट आपको दी हुई है या जो क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है आपको बताना है कि वो आपका फाइनाइट है, इनफाइनाइट है या नल सेट है. नंबर 1, सेट n हैज 1, 2, 3 एंड सो ऑन. यहाँ आपके पास कोई भी एंड पॉइंट नहीं दिया हुआ इस सेट का कि कहाँ ये नेचुरल नंबर का सेट आपका स्टॉप हो रहा है. It means what set this is? This is finite or infinite? Yeah, obviously this is infinite set. Then second part is set A has x such that is greater than 15 and less than 10. इस यहाँ x आपको बता रहा है कि x आपके किसी एलिमेंट्स को बता रहा है और वो एलिमेंट ऐसे हैं जो आपके 15 से बड़े हैं और 10 से छोटे हैं, एक ऐसा सेट. अब ऐसा सेट कौन सा हो सकता है कि ऐसा नंबर जो 15 से बड़े भी हो और 10 से छोटे भी हो. तो ऐसा तो सेट नहीं हो सकता. इट्स मीन्स दिस इज योर नल सेट. The way of writing this set is called your builder notation, and you will learn about this heading in your coming slides or in your coming lecture. Now, student, we take a review whatever we have learned today. Number one, set definition, then element or member of set, notation of set, finite set, infinite set, empty set, and exercise 1.1, question number 1 and 2. I hope everyone has understood whatever I have explained in this lecture number 1. And still anyone has confusion or any question come in your mind, so you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you, student. Allah Hafiz.